Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to search your own channel on Viewstats. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to use Viewstats on their own channel. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now, the way to do that is that you're first going to need to install the Viewstats Chrome extension. So right now I'm using a Chrome browser. And then once you install that Chrome browser, whenever you go into a channel, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to see a Viewstats profile. So if you click on Viewstats profile, your channel will now appear on Viewstats. So this is what it looks like right here. I can see the channelytics, the videos, the projection, similar channels, and the about. You could also organize it by views or subscribers, and also the time frame of 7 days, 28 days, 3 months, and 1 year. But this is a really good indication as far as how to actually search your channel on Viewstats. Just simply install the Chrome extension, and then once you install the Chrome extension, you'll see this button here. Click that button while you're on your channel, and your channel will appear on Viewstats. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and view your channel and search your channel on Viewstats. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.